I'm gonna do a video of this 6-tier thing that you see in Costco, and I just think I should do a video because, girl, I just messed up and now I have to take this off. So this whole thing, I have to take it off. So this is gonna be a poor quality video, but let's do it. Okay, so I did these shelvings the wrong way, so I have to take them out. Alright guys, I dismantled what I did. So you're gonna have the option for with these, you're gonna put these, or if you want it to be like or you want it to be a non-sliding shelf. And this little packet, when you see these little packets, it's gonna come with a bolt like this. Guys, if you don't want a shelf that is like not movable, just get rid of this packet, dude. And then make sure this is the bottom. These are the bottom. It's gonna say in your packet. These are the bottom 6. So there's 2 sides. There's one for the big hole and then the little hole. If you want the shelves that don't move, you don't even need this, girl. Throw this away. That's gonna like make your life a living bleep, girl. Okay, so make sure you put the rolly things on this side, not the big hole. Do not try to put this one that comes with this packet in here, because girl, to take this off, I had to call on God, girl. I swear, this is not a lie. Like, this was like latched on there, and without me taking this off, I was not gonna be able to assemble this, and I did not want to return this to Costco. But girl, I like literally called on God. I was like, please help me take this off, because it was not trying to come off, because I tightened it up real tight, and look how it looks. So, and then right away it got loose. that was cool. Like and then I was gonna keep that to myself, but something was like, just share it. But anyways, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my little rolling things in the bottom of this thing, okay? Whew, girl. Okay, again, these are the bottom shelves. I'm doing the little hole. I don't need anything because it already came with it. It already came with the little insert. Okay, now I'm gonna do this to all of them, okay? All right, guys, I screwed them up, and now I'm gonna put these little things. These, make sure it says top, so it's pointing up, okay? I'm gonna count 4. 1, 2. No, I'm gonna count just 3 because I just need it to be above the floor, because this is for, let me see. This is for state board, okay? I could get a ticket if stuff are, my clean sanitized stuff are on the floor. So I'm make sure it's above the floor. Okay, I'm gonna do this to all of them, and then this, you just make sure it's top. Grab another one, and then just let me show you before I get off. Make sure it's okay this way so it could connect, and then go like this. Hold on, I gotta make sure it's, yeah, that's a good one. Okay, let me see if it goes up, down, down. So I just click them together and it doesn't move. Okay, I'm gonna do it to all of them now. All right, now I did that. On the app, it says to put the shelf on the wall. Make sure when you put the shelf on the wall, you see this sign, it says Trinity, it has to be facing up, okay? So now I'm gonna slide each of these poles, let me see. Oh shoot. Each of these poles, I'm gonna put them on here. And if you're just one person, this video is gonna help you out a lot, girl. Or guy, whoever's watching this.
So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put all the poles. All right, let me show you how I'm doing it. Just sliding in the poles. Now before I flip it over, you see I scooted all my pole tight on the black. And if you guys see my feet peeling, it's because I used a foot peel, so don't judge me. Okay, this one is like that, so I'm gonna put it a little bit tighter. All right, let's go. Ah! All right, I said how to you need a rubber whatever, a rubber thing. Girl, I don't have that. Shoot, I don't got money for that. All right, guys, now I'm gonna put this box so I could just, you know, put it down or something. All right, since I'm gonna be using this thing for supply, I put one of these in here, so I'm gonna probably put I'm gonna just go ahead and start using all these little black things. Maybe right here. Look, and they're really easy. Like, girl, if you went to the app and you are in this video, girl, I went to YouTube too, girl, and trust me, they need to put back old school instructions in the box, okay? Okay, people that built this? All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do it all around. I'm gonna count how many spaces I use. I just count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. I'm gonna do it around. That's how it's looking. If it didn't slide down, that means you adjusted it right. That doesn't take a rocket science. Trial and error, you will get it. Trial and error. So make sure you see this Trinity. It has to be facing up towards your head, I mean. All right, girl. Now, I'm filming this video by myself, so bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, I redid it. I put the little black things again. Make sure you count them. They're all equal because taking it back out is hard, okay? All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the top. You see how this hole is big? It should be a big hole here, okay? These are the top. These are the top holes. It's gonna say in your instructions the top holes. Ah. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Yes, girl. Okay, I can't do it. I can't do it with one hand, guys. I gotta get off this phone. Maybe I can. Thank God, thank God. All right. Ooh, 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 victory dance. Okay. Okay, now that I did this, I put all 4 poles. I'm gonna do the same process to all of these guys. So remember to count your numbers and then put these on. Honestly, these I can't really like tell you. You're gonna have to do trial and error with these guys. They all say top. They just all should be facing. If it says top, it means up. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna do it, and I'll just fast forward the process. All right, let's see. Let's put another one of these on here.
Okay, if you're short like me, get a chair, okay? Alright, since I don't have that hammer, I just go ahead and put this shelving on. Perfect. Now I'm gonna complete it. I forgot to tell you guys, you see these things? You guys don't need them, okay? This was just for packing purposes, and I got that information from the app. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure if this helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And oh my god, girl, it was so hard. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.